Hello and welcome to this tutorial on the Satoshi to USD and Bitcoin exchange rate converter. What this tool does is, when you enter a value in Satoshi, Bitcoin, or USD, it converts the value into the other two units. For instance, if I write 10,000 Satoshi, it will convert the Satoshi to Bitcoin and USD. If I write $100, it will convert it into Bitcoin and the number of Satoshi. So here the converter is showing us Bitcoin pricing in real time. It also shows the open 24 hours, low 24 hours, high 24 hours, and last trade. And it shows how much value a Bitcoin has gone up or down in the past 24 hours. Below we have a conversion table. It shows one Satoshi and its current value in Bitcoin and USD value as well. Here we have 100 Satoshi. So Satoshi value is equivalent to $0.05, this much amount of Bitcoin, and it goes all the way to 1,000 Bitcoin. It shows us the value of USD, and then, of course, the value of Satoshi. It's a simple, easy-to-use converter. Just enter the value of Bitcoin, Satoshi, or USD, and it will convert into the other two units for you.